money isn't everything.
Look, my bitch is all bad, my niggas all real. I ride in dick in some big tall hills, big fat checks, big large bills. Run out, flip like 10 car wheels. Cold ass bitch, I give Ross chills. 10 different looks and my lips so kill. I kiss him in the mouth.
Right into this dye. This is the orange color that I came up with, and this is the bundle that I already dyed. So as you can see, it came out this pretty orange, like this pretty bright orange, and this is the color I was going for, so it came out perfect. Okay, so we have another bundle, and we have a frontal that we're going to put in there, and this hair is from the Diamond Princess hair collection. Yeah, the Diamond Princess hair collection, and I'll tag her their Instagram below in the description box so y'all can check out this hair, because in order to do this you need blonde hair, so it has to be 613 hair. Sorry, it has to be 613 hair. It can't, like, I would assume, excuse that noise y'all, I need to get my smoke detector, like smoke detector battery change. But if you're gonna do this, I would assume that if you dyed your hair, you would just still have to, you have to lift it a lot, so it won't really turn out like this unless you lift it this light. Because I saw someone on YouTube who had used bundles like 1B bundles and bleached them like just a little bit and tried to do it, and it didn't work. So this is the hair, and I'm just gonna unravel the bundle and comb it out. And I already have my hot water ready. I just warmed up some water from the sink for like 3 minutes in the microwave, so it's kind of hot. I was letting it sit a little bit because it doesn't really need to be that hot, because you want to be able to like dip it and work it in there instead of just having to have it sit in there, because you don't really need to, because it only takes a second. So then I'm going to fold it. That's good. Alright. Make sure it comes out. And this hair is like super soft. Of course I can't feel it right now because I got these gloves on. But when I was touching it before, it is like so soft, and it wasn't shedding or anything. So here I have my bowl of my hot water, and I'm just making sure it's still pretty warm, and it is good. Now I'm getting the Adore Sunrise Orange and then the Adore Orange Blaze. So I'm going to put more of the Sunrise Orange than I am the Orange Blaze, because I want it to be more bright than red, but I still want it to have like a fiery color. So all you have to do is literally just pour like some in there. And I'm really overdoing it, I think, because the people on YouTube didn't really do this much, but I just really wanted the color to come out right. And I'm just mixing it up. Some people were using a whisk and stuff. I'm just going to use my hand. And you see the water is getting pretty pigmented. And I'm just going to add a little bit more Orange Blaze and that light orange. And do y'all remember how long it used to take to dye some freaking hair? Like, this method is the freaking truth, and I'm gonna show you. Like, this is so the truth. This is so much easier if you just want a solid color and you don't want it to take like all freaking day, have to use like 6 bottles of dye. This is it. So I'm literally just gonna dip it and work my fingers through it. And I want to keep dipping it and working my fingers through it, and you're gonna see. So we're just gonna dip it. Y'all, don't say I ain't never taught y'all nothing, because this is some magic right here. You ready? Orange hair. Orange freaking hair. In freaking 5 minutes, y'all. Like, what is that on my hand? Oh, I don't know what that is. Oh, that's some of the wrapper. Orange freaking hair though, bro. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Now I need to still work it. So you're gonna see, like, as I work it, how the pigment, like the color, it's almost like the color just leaves the water and absorbs in the hair. Like, that's probably the best way I could describe it. It's like the color leaves the freaking water and just absorbs in the hair. So I'm just mixing. I'm just like working it through. And that first bundle that I did it twice. Like I put some more dye in the water. So I'm gonna do the same thing with this. I'm gonna do it twice. And the same thing with the front. I'm gonna do it twice. So, cause right now I still have some light. You see? So you just want to keep like working it in there real good.
What's the matter with you? Money isn't everything.
Look, my bitches all bad, my niggas all real. I ride in dick and some big tall heels, big fat checks, big large bills. Run out flip like 10 car wheels. Cold ass bitch, I give Ross chills. 10 different looks and my lips so kill. I kiss him in the mouth, I feel all grills. Eat in the car, that's feels on wheels. Woo! I was born to flex. Diamonds on my neck. I like boarding jets, I like more than sex. But nothing in this world that I like more than checks. Money. All I really wanna see is the money. I don't really need a D, I need the money. All a bad bitch need is the money. I got bands in the coop, bustin' out the roof. I got bands in the coop. Touch the house, shake it low, shake it low, shake it low, shake it low. I got. My neck. I like boarding jets, I like more than sex. But nothing in this world that I like more than checks.
And they say that it does not mess up your lace. We are about to see if it messes up this lace. I'm gonna probably scream. I was thinking about leaving the roots blonde, but I don't know. It might be kind of hard. Let's see. Yeah, it's gonna be like really freaking hard. Yeah, we're just gonna dip it all in there. They said it doesn't mess up your lace, so. I got. And as y'all can see, what am I trying to say? Gosh, the lace is fine. It's not orange. See, it's not orange at all. It's not. You can see through it. Yeah, man. So that's what that looks like. And then let me part it so y'all can kind of see what I was talking about with like the light on the part. So you see how the part is light turned on the bottom half of the hair. So that's how that's gonna be. So I hope I showed y'all something new. I love this new technique. I'm gonna be dyeing my hair all the time. I can't wait to show y'all this wig. Now I'm just about to go blow dry this hair out and get ready to get it together. I'm probably gonna mess with this frontal and start plucking it and stuff. Yeah, I'm probably gonna go ahead and start plucking it. So yeah, so thanks. This is with the frontal. Let me show y'all everything together. So this is the frontal. Oops. Bundle and bundle. This is what it's gonna look like when it dries though. So I am gonna upload a picture on Instagram. Thanks everyone.